What's up guys, Bearded Jeeper here, and we are at the 4th annual White Mountain Jeep Invasion. I got the man Woody driving. At the event this year, there's some trails, and we're gonna see if we can get muddy and make some memories. Ooh, a spoon!
Well, you know. You know me, man. Be myself, or I can be someone else. No one's stopping me now. I'm gonna skip my breaks. Good to see you. Hey, come join us. There you go. Deep down, feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at those beautiful stars. I wanna drive a faster car. Nothing. Highway department. What?
Ooh! Hit.
We're on the fuel tank.
You hit that time.
Tree.
That's how it's done.
Holy crap, that was close.
I wanna drive a faster car. Ain't much trouble today. Blow the smoke through my cigarette. City lights looking fine, and I know this is my time now. I'm gonna be myself, or I could be someone else. No one's stopping me now. I'm gonna skip my breaks.
Pepper spray, stun guns.
Wanna feel alive. It's just what I do when I'm out, so try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at those beautiful stars. I wanna drive a faster car. Nothing can break me, no, no, nothing can break me. Try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at those beautiful stars. I wanna take a trip to Mars. Nothing can break me, no, no, nothing can break me.
They're headed up the mountain.
I'm gonna be myself. I'm gonna be someone else. I'm gonna be.
And that was the last shot I got before my Jeep started to overheat, and I tried to let it cool off, but it really didn't want to cool off, and I didn't want to risk ruining my transmission again, so I decided to just head back down the mountain and head home. We had a great day, and the rest of these shots are going to be from friends who sent me footage of them going up the mountain. I couldn't make it up to the summit this year, but I'm ready to install a transmission cooler now, more than ever. Thank you, Jason Morris, for putting this on year after year, and I really can't wait till next year, year 5, it's gonna be big. Thanks for watching guys, stay bearded, stay jeepin', I'm out.
Look at those beautiful stars. I wanna take a trip to Mars. Nothing can break me, no, no, nothing can break me.